Today, we are going to show you how to assemble our high current speaker connector SVP562TX. This model features a solder cup design, which requires specific soldering techniques for a secure and high-performance connection. First, the stripping length must be confirmed based on the connector structure. Although the internal clearance is approximately 27 mm, it is recommended stripping the outer jacket to 25 mm. Keeping it slightly shorter provides more slack relief space to prevent damage if the cable is pulled. The depth of the solder cup is approximately 10 mm. We recommend stripping the core wires to 8 mm. Using a vernier caliper to measure 25 mm from the outer sheath and 8 mm from the core wire at the end of the cable. Use a blade to score the outer jacket in a circular motion. The outer layer can then be easily stripped away while keeping the internal cores intact. For high current applications, we employ a specialized pre-tinning technique to ensure the conductor strands are fully wetted with solder. Cut approximately 7 cm of solder wire. Wrap the solder wire tightly and densely around the bare copper core. Apply heat with a flat-tip soldering iron until the solder melts uniformly into the core. This ensures the strands are perfectly tinned and ready for the cup. Before you start soldering, it's important to fix the connector in a vise so the cable's weight or heat doesn't interfere. Make sure to identify the positive and negative pins beforehand for a stable and reliable connection. Next, slide the heat shrink tubing over the wires to provide electrical isolation between the pins. Simply melt the pre-tinned core directly into the solder cup. Keep the solder cups horizontal during the soldering process. Do not allow the connector to tilt backward. If solder flows out of the cup, it will reduce the arcing distance, severely compromising insulation and dielectric strength. Before final assembly, ensure there are no exposed solder joints or solder spikes. The casing is made of metal. Any protruding solder may come into contact with the metal casing, causing a short circuit. After confirming that everything is in order, push up the clamping claws and align the metal casing with the groove before fitting it in. Finally, tighten it with the thread sleeve to complete the process. The SVP563TX male connector is designed for superior connectivity. The pins feature an outward expanding design to ensure increased contact area for the male and female connectors. During welding, mate the male and female connectors together to secure the pins. By doing this can prevent misalignment or plastic deformation caused by high temperatures. After confirming the polarity of the pins, place the wire in the solder cup and reheat it using a soldering iron. Finally, slide the stress-relieving chuck forward to align it with the groove of the body, install the metal outer shell, and then screw on the protective sleeve. That's how you assemble our high-current speaker plugs. Shop now at www.srexact.com.